Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to avoid the issue battery draining fast on your iPhone iOS 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. So there are some settings you have to turn them off or on to avoid this type of issue. So let's start now. First of all, what you have to do is just open up your settings app on your device and then scroll it down here and tap on general, and again scroll it down here and tap on background app refresh, and again tap on this and off them, and then go back and go for the second step. For that, again open up here settings app on your device and then scroll it down here, and here is the option of battery. So here are some apps which are using the most part of your batteries. Here are some apps. So what you have to do is just you have to remove the unnecessary apps from here. You can remove from here like this, long press here like this, and then tap on remove, tap on delete, and again tap on delete, and your app will be deleted. So in this way you can delete your unnecessary apps and then go for the next step. For that, again open up here settings app on your device and then scroll it down here, and here is the privacy option. So tap on this and then tap on location services and turn the toggle off for the location services. Tap on turn off, tap on location alerts, turn the toggle off for here show map and location alerts, and then go back and go for the next step. For that, again open up settings app here on your device and then scroll it down here, and here is the accessibility. So tap on this, and then what you have to do is just tap here on display and text size, and now scroll it down here, and here turn the toggle on for the auto brightness, and then go back and then tap here on motion, and then here what you have to do is if the toggle for the reduce motion is turned on, you have to turn this off, and then go back and go for the next step. For that, open up your control center here, and then if unnecessary, then tap here on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and turn them off, and then open up settings app, and then from here turn the toggle off for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth from here like this, and then go for the next step. Again open up settings up, and then from here what you have to do is just here is the display and brightness. So tap on this, and here is the dark mode. So when necessary, then apply the dark mode, and it will save your battery draining. So these are the methods you can avoid this type of issue. So that's it guys for today's video. If this is useful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.